Hey, hello YouTube. I'm Karan from India, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the plot function version 1.0 by KVC. So let me start by showing you some views. These all tell are working on the plot function. So the by default the origin of the console is at the top left corner, as you can see. Let me show you in the CMD console. It is by default here. It is 0, 0, 0, but in the real world we use it at center, so we have to shift first of all shift the origin from here to here. So for that we have calculated and created an algorithm. This is the help menu of the plot function. We will come to it after a few minutes. So taking a example values of 5 comma 5, we have calculated and created a conclusion that this is the conclusion, and this is our view about mathematics. So after calculating and transferring the origin from here to here, we have created the plot function version 1.0 successfully. So what it takes is that, let me show you the help menu. It has four syntax. One is for version, one is for head. So these two are not usable. So it has, for the usage, main usage, it has syntax. Let me talk about first. So the first is the calling the function, and the character prints the specific point, the color in which the character will be printed, and the style by which it is printed. We'll talk about the style in a few minutes. So the coordinates, or infinitely long line. You can write a number of coordinates, or you can simply save these coordinates into a file and just call the function similarly, but just after the style write -f, and which it will tell the plot function that you are going to load a file, and just load the plot file. So let me show you an example. So let me show you preview first. This is the style 1, first style. This is the style 0. This is actually, this is first style named as 0, and with the similar coordinates this is style 1, which is second style of printing the coordinates. This is the third style with pointing each and every point. So as you can see, the first point is 1, 2. It is at 1x and 2y. Next one is 3, 4. So it should be here and here. Yeah, this is the next point. So according to it, it will print. So it is the test how to load a plot file in this manner. So this is just a preview and default in CMD and default in real world. This is a view of simple plot file. Line after hashtag, it is a comment. So you can write anything after writing hash. Just specify the coordinates without hash, and then you can save it as any name dot plot. Next, this is our plot project. It is the code of the plot file that we have written in our notebook. And let me show you a preview first. Open it, change the view. Just we'll run it this example file later. Just right click on the command prompt. Let me clear this mess off and type here plot, and then the character by which it is plot I will print by dot, and the color of the dot should be uh, green, I think. Oh wait, and then I forgot about, let me see the help menu first. Help character color style. Okay, just dot is the correct color is okay, and style I will prefer one second style. So then type the coordinates. I will type it as 5, 5, 5, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. As you can see, it has printed a line. Kind of is it still with the equation of straight line. I think x is equal to y. So it is a diagonal line straight. So it is printing according to that x, x. So let me change the console size. You know that the plot function adjusts the whole output according to the size console. So I have changed console, and let me see its output. It has again shifted the origin to the center. It will calculate the center of the console and shift the origin to that, and then it will print the given coordinates. So let me print it in different manner or style. I print it by style 2, and the color should be foreground background AA. So it seems to be a line. Now let me diminish it, and here is missing is 6, 6. So let me type it, and it seems to be a line going up. You can print anything. So let me show you a file, plot file, how the plot file looks. As you have seen that this is simple file, and these are the coordinates 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5. All are similar. So equation of a diagonal line, that is x is equal to y. So it should print the diagonal line. Let me show you the example code, and it is too much, but it has given some comments here, so it seems to be bulky, but it's not. So here we are doing is we are calculating the coordinates of that line, like coordinates and saving coordinates in one variable. So both variables are same. So x is equal to y, equations of a diagonal line, and then x is equal to 5, equation of straight line or another line. So here x remains 5 and y is changing. So now we are calling the plot function, printing the star with a color black background and red foreground with the style 2, and printing the coordinates. It will pause 3 seconds and then tell you that now you can graphically find the intersection of two equations of line. So let us try it. Just work out. You can see the speed is tremendously fast, and it is by style 2. It's printing a line and diagonal line, then a straight line where x is equal to 5, x remains 5, and the intersection is here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is intersecting at 5, 5. So you can now find graphically the equation of two lines. Hope you like this program. We have spent a lot of time on creating it. Just hope you liked it. If you have any questions, just ask or subscribe. Thanks.